Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little shoe for a baby girl or a baby boy. I'm using this needle 1.75 and let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. Now in the third one, 1, 2, 3 skip. In the fourth, make double crochet for 2 times. Now make double crochet 7 times in 7 stitches. Now I have my last stitch, so I will do 6 double crochet in the last chain. 6 double crochet. Now I done my 6 double crochet in the last chain, and then I did my 9 double crochet on the other side, on the opposite side of this one. Now last stitch I will make 3 double crochet. Now stitch it with the third chain. This is my first row. Now chain 1, and in the next make single crochet. In the next make 2 single crochet. In the next make 2 single crochet. And now 1, 2, 3 single crochet. Two half double crochet. And 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. 2 double crochet in same stitch with 6 times, or 6 times, sorry. For 6 times make 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now I did my double crochet in 6 stitches for 2 times. Now double crochet 3 in every 3 stitches, then 2 half double crochet in 2 stitches, and now single crochet 3 times in 3 stitches, and in last 2 stitches 2 single crochet in same stitch. Now make a slip stitch in the first chain. Now this is my second row. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make in same stitch double crochet. In the next 1 double crochet. In the next 2 double crochet in same stitch. One double crochet in next and 2 double crochet in next. Now make 9 double crochet in 9 stitches. In every stitch make 1 double crochet for 9 times. Now make 2 double crochet in next, 1 double crochet in next, 2 double crochet in next. Make 6 sets of 1 2 1 2 double crochet. Now I did my 6th set. Now I will make double crochet for 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5. I did my 9 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. Make set of 3, 1. In the next 2 double crochet, in the next 1 and in the next 2 double crochet and make a slip stitch in third chain. Now this is my sole. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and in the back of stitch back loop make double crochet all around the shoe. Back loop. This is the stitch and this is the back loop. So make it all around till to the end. I did all my half double crochet and now make a slip stitch in the last one. This one is the second chain of my half double crochet. Now did it again, half double crochet all around the shoe till to the end. Now I did my another half double crochet all around. Now I will start my decrease. Chain 1 and half double crochet in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Half double crochet in 15 stitches. Now I will start my 2 together double crochet, decrease for 9 times. This is my decrease. 1, insert hook, pull, again turn over, insert hook, pull from 2 and now pull from 3. This is decrease. 3 for 9 times. Do it for 9 times. And now double crochet all over till to the end. Now chain 1 and make double crochet in 15 stitches. Now decrease for 5 times. First 1, then 1 double crochet, 1 decrease and do 1 double crochet. So now decrease and 1 double crochet, decrease, double crochet and 1 double crochet. Do it for 5. Make 5 decreases in a row and then half double crochet all around till to the end. Now chain 1, double crochet. This time you will make 3 decreases. Now make decrease in half double crochet, pull it, insert in first, then in the other, then turn, insert in the other one and then pull it in all. Again turn, pull, turn, insert in another, pull and pull through all of stitches. So make it for 3 times. 1 2 1 2 no, for 4 times. Now make half double crochet till to the end. Now chain 1,